How to use a promo code in Grubhub checkout. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grubhub on your device. Here, select where you want to order from, and then go to the menu item, select the one you prefer. After you've added to your cart, simply click on View Order at the bottom. Here, you will find Add Promo Code. Here you'll find Add Promo Code or Offers. Click on Offers. Click on Add Promo Code at the top. Then enter your promo code and press on Apply. And if it's valid, it will be applied. And according to that, you'll get a discount. And after you do that, press on Proceed to Checkout. After you press on Proceed to Checkout, you're good to go. This is how to add promo code in Grubhub. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.